Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will install Xcode on our Mac, which is the first step in your development journey within the Apple ecosystem. Xcode requires macOS, so be aware that you won't be able to install it on any other operating system. To install Xcode, go to the App Store on your Mac, search for Xcode, and click Download. It may take a little while to download completely. You may encounter a network-related error while downloading Xcode. If this happens, stop the download and start over. Once Xcode is installed successfully, it is only configured for macOS development by default. If you wish to develop for iOS, watchOS, or other platforms, you'll need to install the specific components. If you don't, you won't be able to build your project, even if your code is error-free. That's it. Welcome to the Apple ecosystem.